500 Quran.
MashaAllah. Quran for 500.
Yes, sir.
Alright. This was the last ayah revealed to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
The ayah goes thus: Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. وَاتَّقُوا يَوْمًا تُرْجَعُونَ فِيهِ إِلَى اللَّهِ ثُمَّ تُوَفَّى كُلُّ نَفْسٍ مَا كَسَبَتْ وَهُمْ لَا يُظْلَمُونَ.
Very good, mashallah. Jazakallah khair, Brother Abdul Latif. This was the last verse, dear brothers and sisters, that was revealed, and after this verse, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not live except for 9 more days. And it is وَاتَّقُوا يَوْمًا تُرْجَعُونَ فِيهِ إِلَى اللَّهِ, and fear a day when you will be returned to Allah. Then every soul will be compensated for what it earned, and they will not be treated unjustly. And this is in Surah Al-Baqarah, ayah number 281. Very good,
Yes.
Abdul Latif.